Who would have thought? A boy from Daxam and a girl from Krypton. Working together.
Why? Is it because you come from a planet of partiers?
No, because you come from a planet of snobs. I'm in your hands, Kara.
Why am I the only one that survived Daxam? If I die in this cell, maybe I deserve to.
You don't deserve to die. You deserve to survive. That prince on Daxam sacrificed himself because he saw you were worth it.
I'm also thankful for you, Kara. Because not only are you understanding, but you're also gracious. Out of everybody who could have found me in that pod, I'm the luckiest guy in the world that it was you.
You want the suit?
No. I mean, yes, I want the suit, but no, I want to get my hands dirty, you know? Like, I want to do something.
You're serious?
Yeah.
If you take this road, easy is over.
Well, I don't want easy.
Cape can get heavy sometimes.
I want a heavy cape.
Come on.
I want to help you keep the world spinning.
Found something real that's out of touch.
We're really different.
Yeah.
But if
I'm super fun. You're hypercritical.
More like you're an arrogant dude bro, and I'm a personification of the angry boy, and I kept writing you off. And you kept proving me wrong. And it just got me thinking. Maybe I can't have it all.
They will come, they will go make us special.
Hi.
Hi.
I'll get out of your hair.
Wait, don't go yet.
I get that you were upset that I wasn't listening to you, and I tried really hard to listen to you this time. And I heard that you don't think that we belong together, and I respect it.
No, but Nixie wasn't the only one I tricked. I didn't mean it. I just said it so you'd let me go. To protect you.
The weight of all these worlds on your shoulder.
You have to make me feel better.
Come on, skinny love.
I did.
That means nothing's stopping us.
Nothing's stopping us.
Staring at the sink of blood and crushed veneer. Told my love to wreck it all.
I had a really nice.
Yeah, me too. One note, though.
Okay.
I would like to wake up next to you. Exactly 4 times.
And I just really don't want that to happen to us.
It's fixing us.
Yeah.
I like that. Just sit here. Do you need anything else?
To wake up with me.
And I told you to be patient, and I told you to be fine.
Hey.
You have so much to offer this world.
I told you to be kind.
So don't let Snapper or anyone else tell you differently.
And who the hell
Okay?
was I? 'Cause now I'm breaking at the bridges of the ends of our lives.
You know something?
What?
Maybe being Supergirl and having you is enough.
Who will fight?
You think so?
Yeah.
Who will fight far behind?
I hope so.
Come on, skinny love.
Are you sure about this?
Help me, okay? I like you.
I forgive you.
I just really didn't think I was going to see you again after today.
Yeah, me either. But not for long. I mean, I knew I couldn't let that happen.
Well, yeah.
It's hard to see.
You sacrifice a lot for everyone else, and I know I'm beginning to sound like a broken record here, but I admire you.
No, I'm not going to forget the way you sacrificed yourself for me. Ever.
So we saved each other. Just like Romeo and Juliet.
You really need to finish it. Can you finish reading that, please?
Yeah, how's it?
You need to finish it. I don't want
Hi.
Hi. Cara Danvers sent me to get you.
Yeah, she's great.
She'll be thrilled to hear you think so. The positron cannon's ready to fire and you're safe. Your mother deserves to surrender gracefully.
Please, don't do this. You're not gonna get through to her.
I have to try. As long as you're safe.
Romeo and Juliet.
Yeah, I've heard of it.
Right, and there's this moment at the end where I am right now, where they're about to run away together and live happily ever after, and I can't help but think that could be us, you know?
Yeah, but Juliet and Romeo both die at the end.
I did not see that coming.
And no, we're not going to your secret planet. I'm Supergirl. I don't run from anything.
I know. It's one of the more annoying things about you.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome.
Your mother can change. Just have to talk to her.
People don't really change.
Sure they do. You did. You've become someone incredible and unselfish. Just give her a chance.
You really think I'm incredible?
No, I just said that to get you to listen to me. You kept the necklace.
Of course I did. As a reminder of everything you taught me, did for me. A reminder of you. I can't do that. I can't help her. I can't hold her. I still care about you.